Tiny data center used to heat public swimming pool.
I thought this was kind of cool.
This is like those solar panels from the other episode. Stick the solar panels over, the water cools the solar panels. The panels stop the water from evaporating. You love that when you see the...
It's a win-win, as
Yeah. That's right. Don't be skeptical of the win-wins. The heat generated by a washing machine-sized data center is being used to heat a Devon public swimming school. The computers inside the white box are surrounded by oil to capture the heat, enough to heat the pool to around 30 Celsius 60% of the time. It saves the leisure center thousands of pounds. The data center is provided to the council-run city center free of charge. Startup Deep Green, it charges clients to use its computing power for artificial intelligence and machine learning. Founder said that the company would also refund the leisure center's electricity costs for running the digital boiler. Yeah, you just love it when you capture what's already there. I remember when I was intrigued by crypto mining, and there's a guy you can find who he was making heaters. Like, he wasn't even calling them crypto miners. He'd be like, and it's great for heating this apartment. And he was just looking at it strictly from the standpoint of a replacement for an in-room heater. And you're like, well, it generate heat.
Yeah.
They were doing all kinds of complex math, being like, well, you don't have the heater on. It's not quite as efficient as the heater, but you got this crypto as a
kind of works out.
Side benefit.
Yeah.
In this case, it's kind of cool. You use oil to capture as much heat from the data center as possible and spit it out into heating the water in the pool. Sean Day, who runs the leisure center, said he had been expecting its energy bills to rise by 100,000 pounds this year. The partnership has helped us reduce the cost of what has been astronomically over the last 12 months. Our energy prices and gas prices have gone through the roof in the UK. So now we're looking at different ways. You see humans, the ingenuity of humans.
They find a way. We're a crafty bunch.
We're a crafty bunch, dude.
Yeah.
Crafty.